me, Mika aka Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in partnership with Nouveau hair. You guys, I will list everything y'all need to know about this hair below. I've done a video already, I think it was maybe 2 weeks ago, on a quick weave using this hair, and I just wanted to show you guys how versatile the hair is. So now I'm using it for this ponytail. It's the deep wave curly, and I have 16 and 18 inches in my hair right now for my ponytail. Also, duly noted, I know my part isn't straight. You know, your girl need help on her part. Her mama not here to help her. You know. I know you watching, mama. How you think I did? I mean, I tried. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also, thumbs this video up if you like hair stuff. I'm gonna try and incorporate more hair, more fashion, more everything to my channel. I've also started a new upload schedule, which is 3 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 6 p.m. if you're in England, 1 p.m. if you're in America. Let me know what y'all think about that. Maybe I'll go ahead and put a little, what's that thing called? A little poll above. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I've just got out the shower. Well, not really, because I've done my makeup and all that other good stuff, but my hair is a little bit dry. We're gonna go ahead and get started with this pony. I just have a little bit of leave-in conditioner in there, and today, to get everything slicked down really good, I'm gonna be using my favorite, which is the Eco Styler Argan Oil. As y'all can see, I only got a little bit left, so I gotta make this thing work. I've changed up my slick ponytail from how I used to do it, so this is gonna be slightly different. I'm gonna get more of a sleek look, and it's gonna be easier to get all your hair into a ponytail. So what I'm gonna do is section off my hair bit by bit, gel it down, and then we'll go from there. So I'm just gonna section off this back part. Actually, I'm just gonna use my hands. And then I'm gonna take my gel and just get a good amount, I don't know about that much, and slick that back part down. Making sure to also, you know, you gotta get the kitchen. Then I'm gonna take my Denman brush and go ahead and just brush that down. Okay, so before I go ahead and gel that part down, I'm going to part out my braid where I want to leave my braid at. So honestly, I probably should have did that part first, but we can still work with it. This just makes it easier to section off what we have left to gel down. Now that I've got that all slicked back into a ponytail, I'm just going to work on my edges. I've laid down my edges, but we're not done yet. We're gonna go ahead and let them set, but I want to go ahead and braid this first so that way I can let everything set all together. Okay, so once your braid is done, I'm just gonna wrap this around and secure it with a little bobby pin. Now, don't be like me. I've just noticed that my part is uneven, but whatever. It's cool though. It's cool. We're gonna work with it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my edges one final time, put my scarf on, and then let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then we'll come back to the fun part. Alright, so as we can see, my style is set. Cool. So now I'm just going to braid this poof down. Okay, so my ponytail is extra long, so what I'm gonna do is just tuck it under. That way I have a shorter ponytail. Does this make sense? I hope it does, because if I don't, then my braid will just be hanging out the back, and that's not cute. So I'm gonna tuck that in with a bobby pin. Cool, cool. Now you have a little lump back there. And I'm gonna take my first longest piece of her and wrap it around. So I'm just gonna take it around the back, and I'm wrapping it tightly, wrapping the weft around my little braid. Now, when I'm almost done with my weft, I'm gonna take this longest piece right here and wrap it. That's gonna tighten it so that way you don't have to use bobby pins every time. So for the last one, we are going, ouch, to do the exact same thing that we've been doing. Just take it, wrap it around. I like to pull it tight. Pull it tight. And then once you get to the end, I'm going to take this. I'm just going to comb it out a little bit so it's thicker and it's able to cover the whole strand. I mean the whole ponytail track, and just wrap it around. And that is our ponytail, folks. Now, if you're like me, you might want to make it a little bit bigger, which you can. So I'm just gonna comb it out a little bit, rake through it,